Hey guys, it's Courtney with Let's Craft Today, and today I'm going to be doing a little bit of a different video. I have seen these on YouTube and I think they're kind of cool, so I'm always going to the Dollar Tree and Walmart and stuff like that, and I'm always, if I can find any kind of cheap craft supply, then I'm all for it. So I'm going to try to do this kind of video today. It's going to be a haul video. So my husband and I went to Walmart yesterday and went to the Dollar Tree, so this is what we picked up. So we did pick up our kids' Halloween costumes, but I'm not going to show those because they're downstairs and my kiddos have already tore into them. So anyways, the first thing I picked up at Dollar Tree was this cutting board, this little miniature cutting board, and I already took it out of the newspaper because they always wrap them up and stuff. But I already took it out of the newspaper and took the little thing off of it because I wanted to see if the bottom of it was smooth, because I forgot in the store. I just seen it and I was like, ooh, glass, I'm going to decoupage that. And then I got to thinking about it in the car and I was like, wait a second, the top of that was kind of wavy like, and it's kind of wavy, but I wanted to tear into it when I got home to make sure the bottom of it wasn't wavy because it wouldn't work as well to decoupage. But I'm going to try to decoupage this like the video I did with the decoupage glass plates. So I got that, and then I got one of these huge, I got that from Dollar Tree, then I got one of these huge paper, like art pads, and it says it has 30 sheets in it. So I picked this up for my, since once a month we have craft night at my house with my aunts and my sister-in-law and my cousins and stuff. And so I bought this for my niece and my nephew whenever they come over, but I could also use this for my paper beads as well. So I kind of thought about that too. So dig into the first bag here. Let's see, shall we? Okie doke. And I just threw all this stuff together. Oh, I put these in here because I already tore into these too, guys. I picked up this glue as well too. I wanted to try it because I did not know if it's as well, or like if it's as good as the Crazy Art or the Elmer's brand of light school glue. So yeah, I grabbed this just so I could use it for my beads and stuff like that, and just test it just to see if it's as good. Hopefully it is, because if it is, you get let's see, you get 8 fluid ounces in that. And I bought a bunch of these from Walmart, but like I said, I already tore into these. You won't get 4 ounces with these. But I only paid for these, I only paid 25 cents, I think, because even they were super cheap on the super cheap whenever school started, and now they're even cheaper because holidays are coming up and they're trying to put holiday stuff out, and they still have some school supplies left. So I think these were excuse me, I think these were 25 cents at Walmart, so a piece. So I bought 2, 4, 6, 8. I bought 8 of those because you know me, I'm always using the glue. And look at these. We're going to jump back to the Dollar Tree because I absolutely love these, guys. Look at them. How stinking cute is that? It says that they're just DIY stickers, but I think I am going to take my alcohol markers and color these wooden ones in, and then I'm just going to maybe put them on, in the center of a hair bow. Oh, so cute. I love them. So I got those with the little mittens and the candy canes, and then I got these with the little Christmas trees and the snowflakes. I just thought they were so cute. And the little stars, those are cute too. So I could probably, if you can see those good. I just thought it was cute, you know. I mean, for $1. So I got some of them. And then I got these for hair bows as well. those are super cute too. And I'll probably have to reinforce that this little thing, this little bead on it. I'll probably have to reinforce that with glue just to be sure, because it doesn't look like, oh, I see how that's on there. It's just on there with one of these, like little, yeah, that's what that's on there for. So I might just take that off and actually put a bead that I have on these. But I got these for hair bows just because when I make the stacked big boutique bows, I like to put these in the corner of the big bows. I'll show you guys in a video. I'll make a video on those. Oh, and of course I got my niece a birthday card because we're going to her birthday party today. Just gonna put some money in it. And I got these for my Etsy shop. I haven't started it yet, but I am planning on doing that either this week or next week. But these are cute little fall just zipper bags, and I thought if somebody orders something in between now and Thanksgiving, I can just ship them in these, you know, if they order something little enough. And guys, holy cow, who knew Dollar Tree had these little canvases? I cannot believe they had these canvases. It's an 8x10. Of course, you only get one, but for $1, hello. They also had the other canvases too. That's not the stretched ones, but just the, you know, I don't even know what they're called, but they had other canvases there too, though. But yeah, for $1. So I got that. And then I got these. They're actually, I found them in the toy section at Dollar Tree. They're just for Play-Doh and stuff, but I got them. I'm going to open these real quick because I actually wanted to see the roller. The only reason I got these for, like, when I do my clay and stuff like that. These are just, like, in there. But I got them for these little things. Whenever I do my polymer clay, I could use these. You know. But I also got it for this. Oh, look how cute that is. A little roller. Little rolling pin. I mean, it's just plastic, but hey, it holds up pretty good. It feels like it would, I mean, it feels like you could, you know, roll the polymer clay with it pretty good. But that's originally what I got it for, guys. The rest of these are just kind of, I don't know. I mean, I'll find a use for them, and if I don't, then my nieces and nephews can play with them. Or my kiddos can find a use for them. So I got that at the Dollar Tree. And then I got, oh guys, look. I found this adorable Silent Night coloring book. It is so cute. The only reason I got it was for my paper beads. I love Christmas coloring books and all that kind of stuff anyways, but look. The whole page, I don't know if you guys can see that very well. The whole entire page is colored. Like, so whenever I do my paper beads, whenever I use things like this for my paper beads, I like to have the whole entire paper with a design on it so that I can color it, just because, I don't know, it makes the beads prettier and then not plain. But it's got all kinds of pictures in here, and not that I would even color them. Well, I might color some of them Christmas colors, but even like these packages, once you cut them up to make paper beads, you're not even going to know they're packages. So you can color these any color you want. It's just the design on them that I thought was pretty cool for the paper beads. But so I got this mainly for the paper beads, but you know, I like oh look, it shows on the back Merry and Bright holiday coloring book. So it has another one. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't think our Dollar Tree had that one. If they did, I definitely would have got it. But I like to color in Christmas coloring books and that sort of thing anyways. But I also picked these up. How stinking cute is this? I don't even know what I'm going to use these for. But they got little avocados on them. How cute. I guess I could put my little, these little guys that I just got, put those in one of them. But how stinking cute is that? They were just $1. The Dollar Tree. Gotta love Dollar Tree, guys. So, I also picked this up for my son for his hair in the mornings because he needs it. And I got these stickers, so stinking cute. They're planner stickers. So it has like, and there's 297 pieces, 297. But it's got like little notes, like, you guys can see that very well. I'm sorry if it's not focusing. There you go. It's got like little notes, places you can put on your calendar for little notes and stuff, and little encouragement stickers, and I absolutely love these colors together. Look at those. Aren't those beautiful? I love them colors together. So yeah, I actually bought 2 of these, but I already took one last night. I already took a couple stickers out of it, so I just left it downstairs because I put it on my craft calendar. So, but I got these, and then I just got a few other things like this chocolate syrup. If you guys have never bought chocolate syrup from Dollar Tree, y'all are missing out, let me tell you. This is only $1. Of course, I know you only save a few pennies if you buy the generic at Walmart or something like that, but this is only $1. So I bought a couple of these. My kiddo's already scarfed into one of them. But I bought a couple of those, and I bought these too, guys. I've never tried them. I usually, for my younger two take their lunch to school, so I usually make them like a tortilla wrap up. Like I'll put lunch meat in it, or peanut butter in it, or like peanut butter and honey, or sometimes I put Nutella in it or something like that, and then just wrap them up and cut them like this. And they love those, but I always get the flour tortillas, and these were corn tortillas. I don't know that they've ever tried a corn tortilla, so I don't know. I don't even know if I have. I don't know how they taste. So, hopefully they will like them. So, because there's 24 in there, and so I got those for their lunches. So, yeah. So that was it, guys, for my video haul. My video today, my haul video. If you guys like more videos like this, then shoot, I can do a video just about every day on hauls, because I do a lot of shopping. No, but we don't live in a very big town or anything like that, but we have a Dollar Tree and a Walmart and a couple of we got like a Family Dollar and $2 Generals and stuff like that. So I do frequent the dollar stores very often. So you might see more videos like this. If you guys like it, give it a thumbs up and let me know, or comment below. Let me know if you guys like videos like this, and I will make more. So, yeah, guys, if you like crafty videos, normally that's what I do. Recycled videos, things like that. Subscribe to my channel, and yeah, so alright guys, I guess that's it for my video today. Bye.